Welcome to Python learning session. Today we'll be talking about creating a calculating the area of regular polygon and calculate the perimeter of a polygon. A polygon has an n number of sides and each have a side s. And the perimeter, the formula of area of polygon is 0.25 square root divided by 10 pi divided by n, and perimeter of polygon is the sum of the each side of the polygon. So we're going to write a function called polysum, and it takes two arguments n and s. N is the number of sides and s is the length of each side. This function should sum the area and a square of the perimeter polygon, and it should return the sum and round to four decimal places. That's what you got to do here. Now let's get started. We'll start by importing math function. Importing math function here. Then we need to define a function called polysum, which is a function that the question asks us to define and takes two parameters, n and s. And we're going to calculate the area of the polygon. And how do you do that? Can you tell me? Let me show you. Let AR be the area of the polygon, which is equal to AR, and according to the formula given in the question, it's equal to 0.25 times n power s comma 2. That's the area, and divided by mat, and we do time function from mat, and which should be pi divided by n. Mat pi divided by n. And next is the perimeter of the polygon, which is PR equal to n s. Now we're going to return the sum of area and the square of the perimeter. We're going to square the perimeter and sum of the area. That is, we're going to return area plus square root of perimeter. That is PR square. That's what we need according to the question. And next thing we need to do is, it is asking us to round it to four decimal places. How do we complete this? Can you tell me? We can complete this by writing comma and 4 here, and it should give us the required answer. Now what we need to do here is we also need to run this command. Let's try to run this and see if it works. We did close this, and why is it saying it's not closed? It is closed. Now this works fine. Now what we need to do is we need to call this function such that it is taking two input. Let's say number of the side is 10, and we have a little each side is 5. Let's see what we return if we run this command. It returns 269.2.3552. In conclusion, let's review what we just did. We created a function called polysum, and it's supposed to return the sum of the area and square a perimeter of the polygon of the four decimal places. Now, to do this, we need to do two things here. First, we need to calculate the area of polygon using a formula provided in equation, which is 0.25 times n times square s square divided by 10 pi divided by n, and perimeter of polygon. And once we have the formula, we sum this up and round a decimal to four places, and then we ran the function of polysum with the sample data where n was equal to 10 and s is equal to 5, and we got the result 269 to 2692.3552. So that's all for today. I'll see you next learning session. Thank you so much.